Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can refund your Shopify subscription. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open a new tab. And in this new tab, go ahead and search for Shopify Help Center. Once you do that, hit enter and then you're going to find all of these results. Click on the first link, help.shopify.com. And then once you click on it, just wait for it to load. Then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, just go to the AI assistant. Go ahead and click on the chat box and then just type, I want to refund my subscription like this. And then once you type it, just hit enter. After you send this, the AI assistant will answer you. As you can see, guys, right here, Shopify does not provide refunds for subscriptions plan charges, as stated in the Shopify Terms of Service, section 5.10. So basically, guys, you can't refund your subscription, but the only thing you can do is basically canceling your subscription so you won't be charged the next month or the next subscription. Just go to settings, and then once here in the settings, just go to plan, and then here you're gonna find your plan. All you need to do, guys, in order to cancel your subscription is go here and then click on cancel. And once you do that, as you can see, guys, right here, you just need to confirm, click on continue, and then you're gonna be able to cancel your subscription. So this is us, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.